golden wheel. Every silver stream that gushes down the mountains, every drop of honey is sweet. Every eagle flying high, everyone that triggers by, tells a fascinating news to those who dare to hope. And the message is God still loves the world. God still loves the world. So throw your love into His hands. Day by day discern His plans. God is passionately busy loving you and me.
Good morning, my dear students. Today's thought for the day is always believe in yourself. A bird is sitting on a tree. He is never afraid of the branch breaking because her trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. So, always believe in yourself. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the young, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good.